Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to report a shift issue in Instawork. So to report an issue with a shift on Instawork, follow this step to ensure your concern is addressed promptly and approximately. So the first thing to do is to notify the on-site supervisor. So if possible, immediately inform the on-site supervisor or a captain about issues you are experiencing during your shift. And also you can use the in-app report issue features. So on the instant app, navigate to my shift tab and select the relevant shift. Tap on the report issue button to send a message directly to the Instawork support team. This features is ideal for time-sensitive concern that need immediate attention. Then the next thing also, you can also complete the incident report form. So for more serious matter such as safety concern, discrimination or harassment, fill out the incident report form. So this form is directed to Instawork trust and safety team who will investigate the issue thoroughly. You can also contact the support via email. So if you prefer, you can also email your email your concern to help@instawork.com. Provide detailed information about the incident, including the date, the time, location, and any other relevant details to assist the support team in addressing issues effectively. Remember, in emergency situations, always contact local authorities by dialing 911 before reporting the incident to Instawork. Prompt reporting helps maintain a safe and respectful environment for all professionals on the platform. And that's it.